if anywhere you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. Let me apologize real quick. One second. As you can hear in the background, we have a air show that's going to be happening this weekend, and they're practicing flying over my house because I'm right next to the beach. We're going to have the U.S. Air Force, the Thunderbirds, the U.S. Navy Blue Angels, Canadian Force Snowbirds, U.S. Army Golden Knights, U.S. Air Force Demo Team, and the U.S. Marine Corps Osprey. I think it's a Osprey Demo. So it's going to be a little loud. I'm going to try to do my best. So let me get to picking and doing what I'm doing. Anyway, you saw me pick the SQUIRE, I don't know, maybe last month or something like that. It was an awesome pick. This is an awesome heavy lock. I think this is a 100 millimeter boron shackle. This is a outrageous lock. So I'm going to put this off to the side, and we're going to pick its baby brother. I believe this is an 80 millimeter, same thing, boron shackle. This is the bitting on the key. Let me make sure you get it there. I believe it's like 6 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Bitting's not too bad. Could have been better, but this is what we're going to try picking today. I don't remember if I did anything to this when I first got it. Here they come again. 1 second. Okay, not bad. So let's see if I can open this in a reasonable time. Let me get my device up here. And again, sorry about the background noise. I can't do anything about that, especially when I feel like making a video. So this is, let me get it all together. I should have been ready for it, but I never am. This might be a hassle with this thing. I gotta find some way holding it back. Okay, maybe I can do this. Give me 1 second. Oh, come on. Yeah, definitely should have been ready for this. Trying to pin this thing back. That might work. Okay. Get that. Better. All right. I guess it could be a little bit more centered, but there. But I got to turn it anyway to get in position to pick it. Okay. So I'm going to be using something I got a set, I just don't use it very often. This is a Peterson set of picks. I'm going to use a, I think it's 8 millimeter, it is 0.8 millimeter tension wrench. It's got a paracentric keyway, so it's kind of difficult to get a tension wrench in there, but I could use bottom of the keyway, but why rob my space? Okay. Long end. So far quiet. This is good. All right. Here we go. All right, darn it. All right, well, I'll hold it back with my finger. 1, 2. 3 feels good. 4. 5. Nice click on 5. A teeny little movement there. And then 6. Back to beginning. 1. 2 is binding. Got a little counter rotation going on. Nice. A little movement there. 3. Binding. Okay. 4. And 5. I might have done 6. Oh, well. Alright. There's 1. I got a little click out of that. Make sure. Yeah. 2. 3. Alright. I think I got a little movement out of that. Nice. Alright. Hold this dust cover back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second, right? Make sure this is 6 pins here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, no 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no 6. I can never count the keys. I got really bad eyes. I can't see. Alright. I felt like 1, 2. Nice. Alright. Last pin on the back. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Maybe 5. 1. Nice. Nice. A little movement there. Alright. And last pin. Alright. 1. Good. 2. Nice. 3. Alright. Yep. Sorry about that. They're so loud. I'm surprised we're not getting sonic booms. I don't think they got their afterburners on, but it's so loud. Here they come again. Nice. I wonder how long we have to go with this. All weekend. Here we go now. Now I'm on the last pin. Alright. think. Damn it. Gotta reach up and around here. Tough. Damn this thing. Wait. I got you, baby. Whoa! Hold on. Very tight. Maybe I got this clamped too tight. There we go, Belly. Woo! That was cool. And it wasn't easy, so don't say it was easy, Mr. Easy. Oh, come on, man. Oh, this is SQUIRE. This is a pretty cool lock. I love it. All right. Wow. Let me get this out of the way. Let's see what we got in the SQUIRE here. Like I said, I don't know if it's stock or I put something in there. And I need a fat Allen wrench. That'll work. Don't want this to come apart. There you go there. Put that there. Look at the size of this retaining solid steel. This thing weighs, I don't know, but it's tough. All right. Pinning tray. Not a bad pick. Hey, shimmy dimmy dim. Oops. Oh no, I can't get it in. That's what you said. Okay. Take the clip off first. Keep it in camera. Now put a shim. Very tight. All right. Follower. All right. No problems. Don't need to turn that much. That's why it's giving me a problem. Shim's bent. All right, let's see what we got in here. Here's 6 pins. Number 1 is a standard. I believe these. Well, okay. I was just about to speak at a turn. I will show you these pins in a minute. It looks like just a tapered down pin. And that's stock. Maybe what you call a spool, but here they come again. Yeah, these are spools, I guess. Figure after all the time I've been picking, I'd learn the names of my pins. Okay, very nice looking pins. This is all stock. I didn't touch it. This is completely stock. All right. And let's see what we got on the top. Pending tweezer. So you have a standard. These are the springs that are in them. Number 2, a standard. Number 3, definitely a nice spool. So I'm not sure what these bottom ones are, but that's definitely the spool. All right. You have a standard. Another steel spring. A very nice spool like that one, very skinny spool. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, last pin, and let's do that. And I'm sure there's nothing done there. Let me give you a little bit of a close-up here. Zoom. I'm sorry I turned it off instead of hitting the zoom button. Alright, let's continue. There we go. These are the pins. So, number 1, standard. Number 2 is a tapered down pin. That's all I can say about that. 3 is a standard. I got another tapered down pin. The 4th and 5th one are both the same. The 6th one's a standard. Top pins, we got a standard, a really nice skinny spool, a standard, a spool, and a standard. All the springs are the same. I've not touched this lock, so apologize for the noise, the camera going off, but I hope everybody has a great weekend coming up. Wish you were in Huntington Beach. You could see one heck of a show. They come out every year. Amazing, just amazing the way they fly. Thank you for coming and watching another episode of Thumper's Lockpicking. Hit that like and subscribe button. Tell a friend, and don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you got explicit permission. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one.